fresh, this shit hot, boy.
Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we heading for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I'm a stunt. Oh,
damn. Alright, yeah, thank you. Take care, man. Thank you. Hey, what's up everyone? I know it's been a while. More Tesla videos coming soon. But in the meantime, I just bought the Talaria Stinger MX4. So I'm gonna do an unboxing and show you guys this masterpiece here. Currently based out in San Francisco, so I'm really excited to take this out on the hills out here and just explore around the area. It's gonna be pretty fun, guys, so yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so let's unbox this bad boy out here. Super excited. Oh my god. Wow. So before I get into it, they have a sign on here that says attention, always wear a helmet, gear up, and ride safely. So safety first, guys. Alright, this is wild, yo. So we probably have the front wheel right here. That to the side. First, let's check what's in this box out here. Let's see. Alright, so in the box they include some gear oil, the front little Talaria sign, some tools, the foot pegs, the keys, and some nuts and bolts. Alright. Next up we got the charger right here. Pretty massive charger. Alright, let's put that to the side. Probably should watch some videos on people putting this bike together because I have no idea, but we'll figure this out together. Oh, this is so clean. Like, I'm just like looking at this. I am not gonna put the blue decals on because I think it looks so much cleaner all black. Yeah. Honestly, like, this is probably the best purchase ever. Like, oh, that is so sick. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut the video right here and watch how to put it together because I don't want to make a mistake. So give me a few seconds here, let me figure this out. I'll be right back at y'all. Alright, last thing I'm going to install is the foot pegs. Let's get to it. Honestly, I wish these were black. So this is probably one of the first upgrades I'm going to do. And I might get a riser bar here as well. Because I'm pretty tall, I'm 5'11". I weigh about 200 pounds. Alright guys, so the bike is pretty much built. Gotta take off like this plastic stuff. Alright, so we pretty much are done with assembly. In the bike they also included 2 of these rubber things right here, and I believe these go on the battery to prevent rattling, because I know it's been a common issue. And the main 2 upgrades, the big ones at least for this particular bike, is that it has a much better motor and it has a 45 amp hour 60 volt battery, so which should indicate that, you know, it will have more range. And another thing to note about the assembly piece is that there is a clamp on the oil hose. I'll go ahead and show y'all. Okay, so right when you get down in here, you can see that there is a clamp right here. You want to make sure to unclamp that as well. Perfect. Alright guys, so I'm going to turn this back on for the first time. Add in my phone stand, my Bose speaker. So let's do this. Switch the system on. Shut that. Put the key in. Turn it on. There's the Talaria sign. Alright, so we're about 76% charged. So we're going to go ride this for the first time. Let's do this. First inaugural ride. We're going to start right here. Now it's in eco mode. Let's go. So now we're just going to go for a quick little ride. We'll test out the bike, see how it goes, and just go from there.
I gotta get me a bag, steady type of cash on my bro and that same shit. No, I don't fuck with no lame bitch, can't even fuck on the same shit. I heard your shit in the swag, that shit is so sad, put in work at that basement. I charge you double that payment, lil' boy I'm not one you can play with. I grew up in Brooklyn, left right I keep looking. If the ops come then we get to bucking. So sad that my youngest stay shook. Get a bag, we don't play with a book. Made a slap.
Yo, this bike is so much fun. I put it in sport mode, hit about 48 miles an hour on a straight path, and it was so sick. Highly recommend this bike. Oh my god.
Yeah, I did it on my own. Always felt like I'm alone. Now they blowing on my phone.
We came up out that basement, we was damn stuck. I was down bad on my ass, I had no job, I was fucked up, yeah. Now I get to sit back and laugh while you haters are mad and you counting your pay stubs. I do this all on my own, right after wake up I go get my cake up. I gotta get me a bag, steady type of cash on my bro and that same shit. No, I don't fuck with no lame bitch, can't even fuck on the same shit. I heard your shit in the swag, that shit is so sad, put in work at that basement. I charge you double that payment, lil' boy I'm not one you can play with. Watch out, everyone come for that ride out, yeah. Say watch out, we came with that dog pound, yeah. Say watch out, everyone come for that ride out, yeah. Say watch out, we came with that dog pound, yeah. I gotta get me a bag, steady type of cash on my bro and that same shit. No, I don't fuck with no lame bitch, can't even fuck on the same shit. I heard your shit in the in swag. That shit is so sad, put in work at that basement. I charge you double that payment.
Alright, so I've been ripping it about like 45 miles an hour, 48 miles an hour. And this bike has been absolutely phenomenal. Not gonna try to pop a wheelie yet, but we'll see what happens.
Thank you, man.
I've used about 62% of the battery and probably rode about like 3 miles or 4 miles so far. But I am like kind of mix of sport and regular mode. Yo, this bike has been absolutely phenomenal. Like, it's like honestly the best purchase I've ever made. So we're just gonna keep on trucking along here and see how far we get. I'm thinking about going across the Golden Gate Bridge and then I'll kind of make my way back. So yeah, so we'll see what happens.
Hop inside an Audi, then I hit the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big dance, big sticks, big rash. She asked me how I got it, said I got it like that. I get it when I wanna, smoking marijuana. Keep it hotter than a sauna, smoking till the sun up. They asked me if I have bands, I said bring your funds up. They texted me to a challenge, and they didn't show up. Where they at though? Pop out at your party and I got the stick tucked. You just walked out on your skateboard looking like a dumb fuck. Mama told me get a bag and I said run it up. With the naughty and a jag, but I need a bench truck. I need real cheese, big ass peso. Don't fuck with me, or this fucking bankroll. Got a 4.0 GPA on the road. Beating up and down the freeway, didn't pay a single toll. If you fuck with my money moves, I'll make it rest relevant. I'll make all of these niggas mad. They might scream and cry and vent. I might stack up 100 racks and buy me an elephant. I might send you another fact. Could you tell me if it's sent? Hop inside an Audi, then I hit the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big dance, big sticks, big rash. She asked me how I got it, said I got it like that. I get it when I wanna, smoking marijuana. Keep it hotter than a sauna, smoking till the sun up. They asked me if I have bands, I said bring your funds up. They texted me to a challenge, and they didn't show up. Didn't show up, I'm knocking at your door, right? Taking meds till I pass out on the floor, right? If a nigga step up, I say goodnight. Written on the ground in chalk, all that off-white. Put you right up on a shirt. I'll be damned if I never put in work. You a broke ass bitch, your pockets hurt. And I carry an Uzi, no version.
Alright guys, so I'm currently going towards Hawk Hill. Currently at 44% battery. I'm currently in sports mode. Even in eco mode, it's doing pretty well going up the grade here. But in sports mode, it handles it like it's nothing. So it's still pretty sick. I'm going to continue going all the way towards Point Bonita Lighthouse. So basically, I'm going to continue going this way, cut across that tall mountain up there, make it to Hawk Hill, and then make my way to Point Bonita Lighthouse. So that's the plan right now.
See the light, baby, see the light.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Swerving in out of lanes, party I like every day. I'ma keep on going, I just want another 100K. Shawty wanna wet it rain, ride or die my everything. I'ma hit the terror, got me serving through the interstate. Ran away from the past and the nonsense. Tired of toxic ends, not an option. Made it up from the mud, I'ma find this. Taking off hella fast, I'm a Martian. Yeah, pressure on my body on sync, yeah. Never had a copy for the clicks, no, ayy. Money always got me feeling big, yeah. In a drop top, zooming 96, I'm gone. There's some moves that adding up. Got money making hits, now you not catching up. Pull me up, yeah, I'ma drink, now there ain't any luck. I've been working, it's a binge, you can catch me posted up with a yeah, let it rule. 5K on a chain, that's where I be gone. Look both ways for the ops, yeah, they want me gone. Trust no games, I don't play, I don't want it, nah. I was down bad, now I'm out like a star. People in the past tense doing back like a dart. Everybody watch me, cause I'm on it and they not. Put it in a high speed, kick it, yeah, the foreign high. Can't nobody cross me, I be rolling with my stars. Swerving in and out of lanes, party I like every day. I'ma keep on going, I just want another 100K. Shawty wanna wet it rain, ride her down my everything. I'm here to terror, got me serving through the interstate. Ran away from the past and the nonsense. Tired of toxic ends, not an option. Made it up from the mud, I'ma find this. Taking off hella fast, I'm a Martian. Yeah, pressure on my body on sync, yeah. Never had a copy for the clicks, no, ayy. Money always got me feeling big, yeah. In a drop top, zooming 96, I'm gone. I try to save the world, yeah.
Yo, so sick. I was a little scared to go down hella quick, but I think next time we're more comfortable. Cause I was holding a GoPro as well, so I didn't want to drop it. But yeah, yo. Hey.
Don't like me, cause I'm on the road, yeah. Alright, let's go. Don't like me, well I'm on the road. I speed, chase, that's what I love. Can't see what I can't control. Did it once, yeah, I do it once again. Watch my father, yeah, he taught me how to win. Cop new product, money taught me how to spin. Waves like water, music taught me how to swim. I'ma fill my bottle way up to the rim. Back then, yeah, I never talked at all. Ashes, yeah, let them bitches.
Alright guys, so now I'm on like this bike trail trying to head back towards the Golden Gate Bridge, and then the shocks are handling really well on the bumps, like you don't even feel them, which is really good. Because I used to have like this bike, like a regular e-bike, that had like horrible shocks. So even though it was meant like you could take it on like these type of trails, you could feel every little bump. But over here it's so smooth. At about 31%, so I'm kind of worried that I'm not going to have enough to get back. So I'm hoping I'll be able to make it all the way back. Fingers crossed. I might have ripped it a little bit too hard on sport mode, so I might have to roll it back, which is going to suck. But I'm just going to keep the battery monitored and just like not try to like go too crazy. I definitely need like a GoPro mount for this. Ooh. Alright. Ooh. It's like so much fun. I love the throttle. Like I love the responsiveness of the throttle. It's just like, it's just so smooth. And it's like so much fun to just like let it go, you know? You're like a little kid again. Oh, butterfly. Okay. Oh.
ditch. I can never ever snitch. I mean, I tell me you figure underwear, I'll be putting on my side. Forget it, living in a Honda Civic, cause I know that bitch ain't gon' ride. I be fasting, I be crashing, hopefully I won't die. I be flashing, wanna splash in, yeah, you better watch for the tide. I've been searching for a way. 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 On the right, slaps on face. I've been, I give and take. I'm a race. I've been, I gotta keep up with the facts. Chains on it like where you at.
Alright guys, so officially back. I put the bike here on charge. Here's my other bike that I've had. It's also an e-bike, but it's not that powerful. This one is like Side Rusher 690 Max. Top speed on this was like 28 miles an hour. It has a hubcap motor and it struggled to get up any hill. So you had to do a lot of pedal assist in order for this to run, versus this is like a beast, yo. It's absolutely amazing. I'll be making a lot more content. Today's video is a little bit more just like unboxing, getting a feel for the bike. I'll make another video about like, you know, the specs, and like I'll do like a range test, and I'll show some of my rides around San Francisco. Another thing to note is that, you know, today's drive, I didn't really know what to expect of the range, but I probably drove it about like 35 miles, and a lot of it did have uphill components as well. But I left with around 78%, and then I got back with 3%. So I almost killed the battery coming back. It was a mix of sport mode and eco mode. I would say it's maybe like 40% sport mode, 60% eco is what I did. But you know, my favorite mode is of course sport mode, and I'm 5'11", roughly 200 pounds. Yeah, those are my stats. Here's the bike, currently on charge. Let's try to see like, let's see. Yep, there's the battery charging away. I bought it from Luna Cycle for $4,800 with tax, and it was free shipping. Highly recommend it. It is so much fun. Like once you get on this thing, you are like not gonna be able to ride like a normal bicycle again. Like this is absolutely amazing. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and share. Yeah, so let's try to get to like 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, and I look forward to continuing to ride this, and I hopefully you guys will join me on this journey. Yeah, so until next time, see y'all later.
Flashy nigga, I gotta be seen. Cannot stop, bitch, we cop everything. About to take over all of these scenes. In the midst of this shit, we believe. For the championship with a ring. We put up, it's a hell of a scene. Cannot stop, bitch, we cop. Call a fuck on my pocket. Bitch, I'm flying the sauce.